Now, Chinese President Xi Jinping has sent a congratulatory message to the 32nd summit of the AU. He expressed hopes for the African Union to help Africa unite and achieve even greater success. President Xi also added his hope for China and Africa to build their relations further. His sentiments were echoed by the African Union, with the AU Peace and Security Commissioner praising China's partnership with the continent. The Commissioner also noted the numerous peace and security challenges China has helped address in Africa. Emmanuel Nnadozie, the Executive Secretary of the African Capacity Building Foundation, also noted China's efforts in helping build African capacity.
We have been monitoring with satisfaction in many respects the support that the Chinese government has been giving to really promote capacity development in areas of need. We are aware of the hundreds and thousands of scholarships that have been given to African young people to study in China, to be able to return to Africa and help to promote development. So we really commend that.
We have a cooperation that is quite extended and that is quite important in all the areas with China, in the area of health, in the area of infrastructure, in energy, and so there is no area that lacks the will of the two parties to cooperate and strengthen the partnership. And so I can only be happy with the level of this cooperation, and the political dialogue is perfect